With the help of data glasses, we can be much faster in solving problems. It enables that people go to the shop floor, see the problem, hands-free, and enable the sharing of the subject with their colleague who can sit in a completely different location, like they would be next to each other in front of a machine.
When we did the proof of concept and showed them the first live video feed through the web export to the helmet, we could see in their eyes that they thought, okay, now this is the future.
Hirchmann Automotive has been a well-known automotive supplier for the last 60 years. We have a global organization, which means that our experts are also located around the globe. Reaching our facilities is really important in many cases. Imagine we have an issue in a machine in China and our expert is located, let's say, in Wankwell in Austria. It will take us at least 3 days until he's on the spot. The good thing about digitalization and Industry 4.0 is it offers an enormous amount of new innovative technologies. The issue, however, for individual companies is who I can work with in order to implement the right technology for my use case, for my specific problem.
We therefore approached our partner entity to do a co-innovation project on this. We identified that the Cisco Expert on Demand in combination with the RealWear data glasses are the perfect solution for us.
Having Cisco Remote Expert on Demand running on this data glass allows us to seamlessly integrate this data glass into our already existing collaboration platform, the Cisco WebEx platform, and therefore it's very easy for our users to use this tool as an add-on.
Data glasses are adding an additional dimension to the collaboration platform. We can engage and involve specialists, workers, to discuss and work together on certain subjects thousands of miles away. That's the big advantage that we have using augmented reality.
This project was a perfect example that a very trustful and long-term relationship with a partner like Entity can help us to identify solutions on the market that we don't know about.
With these devices, it makes us more efficient. We avoid travel costs and we are much faster.
So in hindsight, I could say that we were really early adopters of this technology.
Using the opportunity of open innovations, inviting suppliers, technology experts, define your use cases and develop solutions together. Those solutions are so new that they are also not mature yet. And the earlier you move there, the more you can influence how the final solution will look like.